Alright, need to replace these two fans on my 850 Highlifter. This one I replaced a few months ago. You can tell right there. It started burning and doesn't spin very well. This one is almost, it's baked, really frozen. So I have two fans, got on Amazon. This one is identical to that one. Actually, it's identical to both. And then I got this one. It's definitely heavier. Seems like it could be used for several other applications. But I'm hoping that adapter ring can match up with the bolt holes. So as long as that plug is the same, let's see. Yeah, it looks like it. So that's today's project. $10mm. That's what you need. And same thing on the back side. Definitely have a tip. Take these three out first, and then that way you can pivot to be able to get your wrench on the back side of that one. 12 minutes on the first one. I think I spent 5 just getting this one plugged in, because the female side was just kind of far down there, and it's hard to reach. Had to reach up through here. Anyways, got that. Next one is this one. Got this one on. The adapter plate worked. These 4 holes lined up, so that's great. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the machine on, let it warm up, and see if they work. Alright, it's been on for a few minutes. Just rode about a half mile. Should be warming up, so we'll see if they turn on. We've never had this one work, so I don't know if one comes on and then it gets hotter and the second one comes on, or if they both come on at the same time. I'm not sure how it works. There we go! Oh, they both came on! Yeah. This one feels like it's going... This one's stronger, but that one works pretty well too.
Well, it's blocking.